You got the upper hand, I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but I've had steeper falls. There's a reason why people love an underdog. Battles aren't won, they just show who you are. And in the end, you know I'ma get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes the king.